Made in the USA. Assembled size, 16 inches wide by 38.5 inches high. Easy to apply, just peel and stick. Applies to any smooth surface. Removable and repositionable with no sticky residue. Top reviews from the United States. Fun decals. Fun decoration. Our little guy absolutely loves the Disney Cars decals. The 3 decals come rolled up in a box. Didn't impact them at all. Extremely easy to apply. If you don't have a smooth wall, you will see the texture of your wall, depending on the angle, through the decal. Otherwise, these are awesome.